Eliminate these 6 objects from your home, and you will notice how your reality begins to transform. I want to clarify something. This is not a personal opinion, but the vision of an ancient wisdom called Feng Shui. When you understand these principles, you realize a universal truth: what is outside reflects what is inside. As above, so below; as within, so without. If you harmonize your environment, you also harmonize your inner self. Before we begin, be sure to follow this channel and activate notifications, because every week I share content that can help you transform your life. Today I want to talk to you about a topic that can generate debate: the objects that, according to Feng Shui, attract bad vibrations to your home. And more than talking about luck or bad luck, I want to talk about energy and vibration. Everything that surrounds you has an impact on you, whether positive or negative. Feng Shui teaches that a cluttered space reflects inner chaos, and the same is true in reverse. When you harmonize your home, your life also aligns. There are documented testimonies of people who, by changing their environment, experience surprising improvements in their health and well-being. Because not only does your mind influence your space also influences your mind. Even current science supports this idea. Dr. Bruce Lipton showed that cells need a proper environment to develop, otherwise, they do not thrive even if they have all the will to do so. And you, as a human being made up of cells, also need a harmonious environment to grow and move forward. Now, let's get to the 6 objects you should not have in your home. Old or hanging calendars. They represent past time and cause your mind to get stuck in memories that block the present. When you constantly look at the past, you stop moving forward and repeat the same thing over and over. Pictures or images of suffering. Portraits of storms, natural disasters, crying people, or painful figures transmit negative emotions every time you look at them. Although you may not consciously notice it, your subconscious does receive it and projects it into your life. Photographs of the deceased. Keeping memories in your heart is fine, but having photos of people who have already passed generates nostalgia, sadness, and attachment to the past. Energy should be focused forward, toward the life you have today. Plants with thorns. Cacti and similar plants represent hostility and harshness. Although they may look decorative, on a symbolic level they transmit rejection and aggression, and that is reflected in your inner self. Black doors. The entrance to your home symbolizes the entrance to your sacred space. Black is associated with mourning and stagnation, and it is not the best energy for the main door. Vivid colors transmit life, openness, and prosperity. Stopped or unsynchronized clocks. A clock that does not work symbolizes stagnation in time. It's like being trapped in a moment that has already passed. Similarly, accumulating old objects that you no longer use transmits fear of scarcity. Energy must flow, not stop. Your home is not a museum or a cemetery. It is your sacred place, where you create your life and your future. If you let it fill with lifeless objects, your energy will also stagnate. But if you transform your environment, little by little you will also transform your inner self. Give it a try, start freeing your home of these objects, and watch how your energy, your emotions, and even the way you relate to others changes. I hope this content inspires and helps you. Remember to follow this channel so you don't miss the next topics, and let me know in the comments which of the objects I mentioned you have in your home, and which one you will get rid of first. Change starts today, not tomorrow. If you want to improve your life, start right now with your own home. And above all, remember, your space reflects who you are. Take care of it, harmonize it, and you will see how life responds to you in the same way.